Hey everyone! Today we're doing something a bit different. We're hopping on the Waterbus in Antwerp and cruising all the way to the quiet riverside town of Hemiksem. No traffic, no stress, just a smooth ride on the Scheldt River. So grab your camera, maybe a snack, and let's set sail. So what exactly is the Waterbus? It's basically a boat that works like a bus, a public transport service that cruises along the Scheldt River. It connects Antwerp with several places like Hoboken, Kruibeek and Hemiksem. It's operated by Aqualine, and it's not just for people going to work. Tourists, families, cyclists, anyone can hop on. And honestly, it's one of the coolest ways to explore the area. Here's a little fact for you. The Waterbus service started in 2017 and it's growing fast. It's eco-friendly, avoids all the traffic, and gives you views that buses and trams just can't compete with. Now, if you're wondering how to use it, it's super simple. No need to book ahead. You just walk up, get on board, and you're good to go. You can buy your ticket on the boat or through the Waterbus app if you like being a bit more prepared. Here's how much it costs. A one-way ticket is €4, a return trip is just €6. So you actually save money if you plan to come back. Kids under 6? They ride for free, and there are discounts for seniors and people with disabilities. Just ask the staff or check online. And yes, your bike rides for free. So if you're a cyclist, this is basically a dream route. Oh, and a little tip. Try to bring a working payment card or exact change. You don't want to be the person holding up the line while trying to fix your banking app in the wind. The ride from Antwerp to Hemiksem takes around 30 minutes. And let me tell you, this is not just a way to get from A to B. It's actually beautiful. Right at the start, you'll see the port of Antwerp, the second largest port in all of Europe. Giant cranes, cargo ships, containers stacked like Lego. It's industrial, but strangely majestic. Then look out for the Museum on de Stroom, or MAS, that red brick tower you'll see on the left. Behind that, if the sky's clear, you might spot the Cathedral of Our Lady, the tallest building in Antwerp. As you cruise further, the views get greener. Trees line the shore, birds fly low across the water, and there's something really calming about watching the waves as the city slips behind you. If you're lucky, you might spot a heron, a cormorant, and once in a while, even a seal. The Scheldt still surprises people. Now, when you arrive in Hemiksem, it feels like you've stepped into a totally different world. No big crowds, no honking cars, just peace and quiet. Hemiksem has a lot of history for such a small town. Its name actually comes from an old Germanic word that means something like home in the river bend. Cute, right? One of the highlights here is St. Bernard's Abbey, a 13th century monastery that's been beautifully restored. It's just a short walk from the dock and totally worth a look. And yes, before you ask, there is ice cream nearby. About 5 minutes from the pier, you'll find a place where locals go to treat themselves on sunny days. You've earned it. You just traveled by boat after all. So why should you take the Waterbus? Well, for starters, it's scenic, it's relaxing, it skips traffic, and it gives you a different view of Antwerp and its surroundings. It's perfect for tourists looking for a unique local experience, families with kids who love boat, cyclists planning a day trip, or honestly, anyone who just wants to sit and watch the world go by for half an hour. It's also just fun. You feel like you're on a little adventure, even if it's just a public transport ride. So from the buzzing streets of Antwerp to the riverside charm of Hemiksem, all by boat, the Waterbus gives you a totally different way to experience Flanders. If you're ever in this part of Belgium, skip the tram and ride the river instead. And if you like this little trip, hit that subscribe button. I've got more hidden gems, calm roads, and city walks coming your way right here on Cities and Roads. Thanks for riding with me. See you on the next trip.